Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use potassium permanganate for fungal infection. First, it's crucial to prioritize safety. Potassium permanganate is a powerful oxidizing agent, so proper handling is essential. Always dilute it significantly before any skin contact. Wearing gloves is highly recommended to prevent skin staining and protect your hands during preparation. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before beginning any new treatment. Now, let's prepare the solution. You'll need to dissolve a very small amount of potassium permanganate crystals in water. The goal is to achieve a pale pink color, which indicates a safe and effective dilution. A common guideline is 1 part potassium permanganate to 10,000 parts water. Always use a non-metallic container for mixing to avoid any unwanted reactions. Ensure the crystals are completely dissolved before moving on. Once your solution is ready, it's time for application. Submerge the affected area, such as a foot or hand, into the diluted potassium permanganate solution. Allow it to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can repeat this process once or twice daily, depending on the severity of the infection and your doctor's recommendations. Always ensure the skin is clean and dry before each treatment. Stop use if you notice any irritation. Finally, some important precautions. Be aware that potassium permanganate can temporarily stain your skin, nails, and even fabrics a brownish color. This staining is usually harmless but can be noticeable. Always store the crystals in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Most importantly, never ingest potassium permanganate. It is toxic. Keep both the crystals and the prepared solutions safely away from children and pets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.